Did you know the Fair Housing Act protects individuals with disabilities? This means you can request accommodations, like having an emotional support animal at any time during your lease. This video will detail the steps to request an emotional support animal and waive pet fees and deposits. For other accommodations, please watch the Reasonable Accommodations video at las.org/ERTC/self-help. The Fair Housing Act allows you to request an emotional support animal if you have a disability that would be helped by having an emotional support animal. This is called a reasonable accommodation. Your lease may say that pets are not allowed, but you can make a reasonable accommodation request to have that rule changed for you at no cost. Before you submit the request, you need to have a verification of need request form signed by a medical professional like a doctor or a therapist. You can find this form at las.org/ERTC/self-help. You will submit this form along with your request for your emotional support animal. You will need to say why you are requesting an emotional support animal. You can find the emotional support animal accommodation template at las.org/ERTC/self-help. When filling out the form, you will need to address the letter to your landlord. You will also need to put the address of the place you are renting from and the date of your request. Most of the form is already filled out for you. You do not need to change the form if you are only requesting an emotional support animal. If you have additional needs or accommodations, please watch the Reasonable Accommodations video at las.org/ERTC/self-help. Once filled out, send to your landlord via email or physical mail. You might be able to drop it off at a leasing office. Check your lease for where to send or submit this request. Once you have submitted your form, you need to wait 10 days to give your landlord a chance to respond to your request. If the 10 days has passed, please send your landlord a polite message regarding your request. If you still do not get a reply from your landlord or have any other questions about your emotional support animal request, please call the Eviction Right to Counsel program at 833-837-4663.